What can we do? So children, remember, this is the story told to Aryanath by his grandfather. Okay, so what he says? Aryanath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. He learned to play the bean without being taught. These days it is difficult. Now, the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skins at high price. So, the government made a law against this. Now, with this law, how will we earn a livelihood? We people have never killed snakes and sold their skin. People say that we keep the snake in bad conditions. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes. But we would never do that. Snakes are our treasures that we pass on from one generation to another. Okay, children. So, what is Dadaji saying? Dadaji is saying that Aryanath's father used to go along with him wherever he used to go, and he learnt only by seeing his father playing. Okay, so without teaching he learnt. But nowadays it's very difficult because the poachers are killing the animals. They are selling their skins at a very high price. So nowadays government has made a law against this, that no one can earn their livelihood with the help of any animal or using any wild animal. There are many people say that these snake charmers, they keep the snake in very bad conditions. But he is saying that why we would be keeping them in a bad condition, because they are the one from where their livelihood is running, right? So they are saying that if they wanted, they could have earned a lot of money by killing the snakes, killing the skin and the fangs and lot of things, anti-venom. The snake's poison is called venom, and the snake's venom which is used to cure the snake bite is called anti-venom. Okay, the medicine. But he says that we would never do that, because of the snake only they are earning money, right? So they say snakes are our treasures, okay, that we pass from one generation to another. Like in wedding, what happened? The grandmother gave her gold chain or the gold bangles to her daughter. Exactly like that, the gold is treasure for us. Exactly like that, snakes are treasure for these snake charmers, and they give these snakes, okay, as a gift to the daughter when they get married. So it's very 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 important for them. Okay, it's just like treasure, right? In our Kalbelia dance, we also have movements similar to the dance of the snake. Okay, these Kalbelias have the dance movement just like the dance of the snake. Okay, Aryanath, you will have to make a different life for yourself. So Dadaji is saying, because now there is no more snake charmers are available, because it is not allowed by the government, right? So he is requesting Aryanath that now you can't be a snake charmer because there is no more snake available for us. Yeah, you have got your father's gift of playing the bean, but he knows how to play the bean. Okay, so what he says, that you and your cousins can form a bean party. and entertain people. Okay, they are saying this, form a bean party where all of them will form. See, look at this. This is the bean party, and that's how they entertain people and earn money. But do not waste this knowledge of about snakes that you've got from your elders, right? So he is saying, now since snakes are not available, do not, you'll have to look for some other job. Like you can have the bean party. So you can see the musical instrument which is used in the bean party. They are bean, tumba, khanjiri and dhol. Except dhol, all the other three instruments are made from dried gourd, lauki. All of them except dhol is made up of lauki, dried gourd.